When I first arrived in London, I became fascinated by the doors on residential streets. Each one looked slightly different, but they all follow the same structure. This small architectural feature made me curious. What does a door really mean? That's where my project began. Part 1. Breaking down door. I started with a very standard-looking door. Not fancy, not broken, just a door. But instead of accepting it as it is, I wanted to break it open, visually and conceptually. First, I looked at the structure, handle, frame, gaps. I distorted them, structured, zoomed, rearranged. Sadly, it wasn't a door anymore. It became texture, shape, image. Then I placed the doors in unfamiliar places, a dream, a gallery, even a billboard. The door was no longer functional. It felt out of place. It became a symbol of belonging, or not belonging. I even gave the door personality. It spoke. Hi, I'm a door person. It felt. It played roles. That when I realized a door isn't natural. It shows who's in, who's out. It reflects power. Later, I made it disappear, fragmented into other things, a face, a surface, a ruin. Eventually, it dissolved completely, leaving only memory, shadow, sound. At that point, I wasn't showing a door anymore. I was showing what remains when something is gone. Part 2. How do we define a door? After creating a 100 pages virtual book, I started asking, how do we define a door? How many words would it take? So I made a list of structure, function, feeling, metaphor, and started combining words. 1 word, 2, 5. Then I visualized those combinations to see how they changed the image of a door. The more words I added, the more chaotic it became. Definition doesn't always bring clarity. Sometimes it breaks things apart. Part 3. Can our words lose their meaning? Inspired by Lawrence Weiner's statement and Christine McCloy's doors, I made a video experiment. In it, the sound of opening and closing doors slowly fades into a voice repeating door. The voice grows louder until everything else disappears. Now it's just sound, not meaning. The word loses its reference, become noise, rhythm, echo.
Bowl.
Part 4. Giving door a new life. Once the word has lost its meaning, I try giving a new one. I invented a functional creature called door. I created a field guide, drawings, notes, scientific data, as if this creature actually exists. Now, door doesn't mean entrance or exit. It's a life form, a new story. From a simple door on a London street, I travel through form, function, language, and imagination. In the end, I wasn't just redefining door. I was asking, can we unlearn meaning? And once we do, what can we create in its place? Maybe meaning, just a door, is something we're always trying to open.